Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered if indulging in one of the world's most beloved treats could actually be good for you? Well, today we're diving deep into the world of dark chocolate, and we're here to uncover the 21 remarkable health benefits that might just change the way you think about this delectable delight. From tantalizing your taste buds to improving your overall well-being, dark chocolate has some surprises in store for you. So, if you're ready to learn how a little cocoa magic can work wonders for your health, join us as we explore the sweet and surprising side of dark chocolate. Let's jump right in. Let's jump right in with number 1. Rich in antioxidants. Absolutely. Dark chocolate is packed with antioxidants, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, which help combat free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic illnesses. These compounds can protect your cells and promote overall health. So, savoring a bit of dark chocolate can be a delicious way to boost your body's defense system. Next up, at number 2, supports heart health. Dark chocolate's flavonoids play a key role in reducing LDL or bad cholesterol, which helps maintain healthy blood vessels, ultimately reducing the risk of heart disease. So, enjoying a small indulgence of dark chocolate can both satisfy your sweet tooth and contribute to a healthier heart. Moving on to number 3, may improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Dark chocolate orchestrates improved circulation and regulated blood pressure due to its nitric oxide boosting properties. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels, leading to enhanced blood flow and lower blood pressure. It's like a sweet symphony for your cardiovascular health, and dark chocolate takes the conductor's baton in this performance. At number 4, helps reduce stress and anxiety. Dark chocolate can indeed be your sweet escape from stress and anxiety. It contains compounds like tryptophan and theobromine, which promote relaxation and trigger the release of endorphins, those feel-good chemicals. So, indulging in dark chocolate can work its magic by soothing your nerves and brightening your mood. Number 5, focuses on improves cognitive function and brain health. Dark chocolate's antioxidant army supports your cognitive function and brain health by protecting brain cells from oxidative stress. This helps enhance memory, focus, and overall cognitive abilities. It's like giving your brain a boost, making dark chocolate a delicious ally for mental sharpness and well-being. Now, let's talk about number 6. Supports healthy weight management. Yes, dark chocolate can be a helpful ally in curbing your appetite and taming cravings during your weight management journey. Its rich taste can satisfy your sweet tooth, making you less likely to overindulge in less healthy snacks. In moderation, it can be a tasty and guilt-free addition to your weight-conscious lifestyle. 7. Provides essential vitamins and minerals. Dark chocolate is indeed a treasure trove of essential nutrients, including iron, magnesium, and potassium. These valuable minerals play vital roles in various bodily functions, from oxygen transport to muscle and nerve health. So, savoring dark chocolate not only pleases your taste buds, but also provides a nutritious boost. Now, go to number 8. Supports healthy skin and promotes a youthful complexion. How do dark chocolate's potent antioxidants battle free radicals to give you that radiant, youthful glow? Dark chocolate's potent antioxidants are like knights in shining armor, battling free radicals that can harm your skin. They help maintain skin elasticity and protect against premature aging, contributing to a radiant and youthful complexion. So, indulging in dark chocolate can be a tasty way to nurture your skin from within. The next one is number 9. May lower the risk of stroke. Regular consumption of dark chocolate may indeed lower the risk of stroke. Its flavonoids and antioxidants contribute to improved blood flow, reducing the chances of blood clots and blockages in the brain. This delicious habit can be a small, but significant step toward stroke prevention. Next benefit is number 10. Supports a healthy immune system. Theobromine in dark chocolate helps strengthen your immune system by stimulating the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections and illnesses. This compound acts as a shield, making dark chocolate a tasty defender of your overall health. 11. Helps reduce inflammation in the body. Dark chocolate acts as a delicious remedy for inflammation by containing anti-inflammatory compounds. These compounds help mitigate chronic inflammation, which is a key contributor to various chronic diseases. So, savoring dark chocolate can be a tasty way to guard against these health risks. Liking this video so far? Before we move on, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health information and tips for leading a healthier life. Talk about a winning number 12, supports healthy vision. The flavonoids in dark chocolate play a crucial role in protecting your eyes from oxidative stress. By doing so, they help maintain the clarity and vibrancy of your vision. These compounds act as defenders of your eye health, making dark chocolate a sweet treat that supports your long-term visual well-being. Number 13, improves insulin sensitivity and may reduce the risk of diabetes. Dark chocolate can indeed improve insulin sensitivity. Its flavonoids and antioxidants aid in regulating blood sugar levels. While it's not a guaranteed prevention method, incorporating dark chocolate into a balanced diet may contribute to reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. 14, supports healthy teeth and prevents tooth decay. Theobromine in dark chocolate fortifies tooth enamel by promoting the remineralization process. It also helps neutralize harmful acids, reducing the risk of cavities. So, in moderation, dark chocolate can be a tooth-friendly treat that supports oral health. 15, aids in the prevention of chronic diseases. The antioxidants in dark chocolate play a pivotal role in warding off chronic diseases by neutralizing harmful free radicals and reducing oxidative stress. This protective effect can help lower the risk of various health conditions, making dark chocolate a delicious ally in the fight against chronic diseases. 16, provides a source of natural energy. Dark chocolate offers a gentle boost of natural energy due to its theobromine content. Unlike caffeine, theobromine provides a smoother, jitter-free energy lift, making it an ideal choice for those seeking an energy pick-me-up without the unwanted side effects. So, a small bite of dark chocolate can give you a subtle vitality boost. Number 17, supports a healthy gut microbiome. Dark chocolate's prebiotic fibers nourish your gut's friendly bacteria, promoting a balanced and thriving gut microbiome. These fibers serve as food for beneficial probiotics, helping them flourish and maintain a harmonious gut environment. So, enjoying dark chocolate can be a tasty way to support your digestive health. Coming in at number 18, may improve athletic performance. Dark chocolate's flavonols can indeed enhance oxygen utilization during exercise, leading to potential improvements in athletic performance. By promoting better blood flow and increasing oxygen delivery to muscles, dark chocolate may provide an extra edge to athletes, helping them perform at their best. 19, supports healthy cholesterol levels. The flavonoids in dark chocolate can boost levels of good HDL cholesterol, which is beneficial for cardiovascular health. They help improve cholesterol balance, reducing the risk of heart disease. Dark chocolate, when consumed in moderation, contributes to a heart-healthy lifestyle by supporting favorable cholesterol levels. Landing at number 20, may improve symptoms of PMS. Dark chocolate, with its magnesium content, acts as a soothing balm for alleviating the discomfort of PMS symptoms. Magnesium can help relax muscles and reduce mood swings, making dark chocolate a comforting treat for women experiencing premenstrual discomfort. And finally, number 21, enhances mood and promotes feelings of happiness. Indulging in dark chocolate sets off a cascade of endorphins and serotonin. These feel-good neurotransmitters create an euphoric experience with every nibble, boosting your mood and promoting a sense of happiness. Dark chocolate isn't just a delightful treat. It's a small but delightful source of joy for your taste buds and mood. In conclusion, dark chocolate offers an array of remarkable health benefits, from supporting heart health to enhancing cognitive function and promoting overall well-being. Its antioxidant-rich nature, along with various essential nutrients, makes it a delectable addition to a healthy lifestyle. So, why not savor the sweet benefits of dark chocolate in moderation and make it a part of your daily routine for a happier, healthier you? Enjoy your journey to improved health, one delicious bite at a time. Thanks for watching.